a remote control of bike. So let's see how this remote works. This remote control works for two ways: to lock the bike, for anti-theft system, for alarm braking, and to put the bike on. That's what I built all in this one remote. So let's put it on to test now. Okay, the spare now. Okay, okay, are you ready to go? No, the bike is locked now. It's locked again. Locked. Locked. Now, let's see. See that? So it detects a touch. If I touch it again, and I just off it now. Let's put it on back. Let's put it on back again. Now, I just got that now. So I'm going to use this remote to activate the both side lights. So watch and see. You can see that. Okay. Okay, that's that. And I press it. See that? That's that. That's another portion of it. So stop. So now I'm trying to start this bike with my remote control. Let's see how busy with it. Most times. Okay. Like that. Like that. But so I'm going to start this bike now with this remote. So let's go to go. Most times it takes time. Like that. That. Like that. So I am going to start the bike now with this remote. So you're going to watch how it goes. You see that? See that? Okay, I'm going to off it back. That's where I have this bike now with my remote like this here. Okay. And you keep it down. Okay, let's off it back. The remote.